Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer here at On and On in Milpitas, California. I'm here with another Did You Know? On and On. Today we're going to talk about the diversity of MagConnect and what makes MagConnect the most intuitive connector in the world, but also the most reliable connector for different environments. From here, a hospital environment, to here, your friendly urban jungle. MagConnect, suitable for any harsh environment. Sometimes you find yourself out in your urban jungle and you need to dig a hole and you need to use whatever you can. MagConnect can be that solution. The good thing is, once you knock out the dirt, it's still a functioning connector. MagConnect, reliable in any environment. Here's that connector and cable assembly. We're out digging in our urban jungle in the dirt. Let's shake out all the dirt and see if it works. MagConnect, the most reliable connector in any environment. To understand what makes MagConnect so diverse in these harsh environments, we need to look under the microscope and look at the blown up replica of the beryllium copper gold plated spring contact that once the male is inserted into the female socket, it has a wipe, a mechanical wipe that is self cleaning between the male and the female contact. This is what makes MagConnect one of the most reliable intuitive connectors in the world. Please visit onandon.com to learn more or to schedule an appointment with one of our engineers who are happy to teach you about MagConnect's diversification in harsh environments. Thank you for allowing me to share another Did You Know? On and On.